A cognomen nōmen name was the third name of a citizen of ancient Rome, under Roman naming conventions. Initially, it was a nickname, but it lost that purpose when it became hereditary. Hereditary cognomina were used to augment the second name in order to identify a particular branch within a family or family within a clan. The term has also taken on other contemporary meanings. Roman names, because of the limited nature of the Latin pronomen, the cognomen, developed to distinguish branches of the family from one another, and occasionally to highlight an individual's achievement, typically in warfare. One example being Gnaeus Pompeius Magnus, whose cognomen Magnus was earned after his military victories under Sulla's dictatorship. The cognomen was a form of distinguishing people who made important feats, and those who already bore a cognomen were awarded another exclusive name, the augment. For example, Publius Cornelius Scipio received the agnomen Africanus after his victory over the Carthaginian general Hannibal at Zama, Africa, and the same procedure occurred in the names of Quintus Caecilius Metellus Numidicus and Quintus Caesius Metellus Macedonicus. In contrast to the honorary cognomina adopted by successful generals, most cognomina were based on a physical or personality quirk. For example, Rufus meaning red-haired, or Scavilla meaning left-handed. Some cognomina were hereditary, others tended to be individual, and some names appear to have been used both as pronomen agnomen or non-hereditary cognomen. For instance, Vopiscus was used as both pronomen and cognomen in the Julius Caesaris, likewise Nero among the early imperial Claudii, several of whom used the traditional hereditary Claudian cognomen as a pronomen. The upper class usually used the cognomen to refer to one another. Today, we refer to many prominent ancient Romans by only the cognomen. For example, Cicero serves as a shorthand for Marcus Tullius Cicero, and Caesar for Gaius Julius Caesar. As a contemporary term, the term cognomen has come into use as an English noun used outside the context of ancient Rome. According to the 2012 edition of the Random House Dictionary, cognomen can mean a surname or any name, especially a nickname. So the basic sense in English is how one is well known. Catalan cognomen and Italian cognoma, derived from the Latin cognomen, mean family name. The term cognomen can also be applied to cultures with a clan structure and naming conventions comparable to those of ancient Rome. Thus, hereditary cognomina have been described as in use among the Xhosa, the Yoruba, or the Zulu.